Ganesh Chaturthi is one of my favorite festivals and Ganpati Bappa is my favorite god. Here is how I celebrated this Ganesh Chaturthi. I got some fresh flowers from the local market and also hibiscus flower that is offered to Lord Ganesha and can be found easily in Indian households. Do not forget to watch the end of the video where there is a special performance. I love doing all the preparations myself from scratch, so I decided to make a garland of these fresh flowers to be offered to Lord Ganesha. The process took a couple of minutes but got me immense joy and peace. I used marigold flowers of orange and yellow color and also white ice flowers. They make a beautiful combination. I had quite a lot of running around to do, thus I decided to wear something comfortable and opted for a pink kurti with white leggings to still have an Indian touch. Pink color goes well with my skin tone and thus I opted for that. After a while, I finally had my garland ready for Ganpati Bappa and it was such a happy moment. I then went on to preparing a puja thali, the plate used for doing the puja, on which I first started off by making a swastik with red color vermilion, also known as sindoor in Hindi. Once that this was done, I then made a cotton stick to be lit in clarified butter known as ghee in Hindi. I then took a dhoop stick, which is a form of an incense stick which has the potency of clarifying bad energies, and shaped that to be put on my puja thali. I put some rice in the thali too in order to light camphor tablets, which is also an essential part of doing the puja. Last but not the least, I also took some incense sticks to be lit. I then decorated my thali with lovely fresh flowers. I offered the garland that I made to Lord Ganesha and replaced the older garland, and also offered the hibiscus flower along with Durga. I then went on to doing the Aarti of Lord Ganesha. It got me so much peace and positivity. Did I mention that the entire decoration has been done by me from scratch? The flowers were made with tissue paper. I also had two leaf-structured props on which there were 8 avatars of Lord Ganesha, known as Ashtavinayak in Hindi. I had both those leaves placed on either side of the main idol. Also had his favorite sweet, modak, offered to him. Did I mention the clothes of Lord Ganesha were also made by me? I also went to pay visits to multiple places where bigger idols of Lord Ganesha were placed. Look at how many people came to such places. Though it looks crowded, the process of the entry and exit were extremely systematic and smooth, and everyone moved nicely in a line. Oh, and I also saw something here for the very first time. Downstairs, there were people getting themselves weighed on a weighing balance and offered coconuts equivalent to their weights to Lord Ganesha. It was quite interesting. Next, I visited another place and was mesmerized to see how well the thought put to creating this lovely decoration was. Here, the theme was of our very famous Chandrayaan 3 that ISRO proudly conducted. The Indians were so proud of this mission, and people actually decided to put that moment of honor in welcoming Lord Ganesha by doing this space decoration. What I also loved a lot about quite a few idols was that most of them were eco-friendly. I then moved to another location and look at how cute this Ganpati is too. I happened to visit a temple as well where there were some more idols of Lord Ganesha. Another beautiful big idol on one of the streets that I walked through. This idol was pretty huge and beautiful too, with snakes and peacock. Another location, another idol. This idol of Lord Ganesha was enormously huge and beautiful. At this location, I loved the nature-based theme. Another location had this idol of Lord Ganesha accompanied by his father Lord Shiva on a mountain, and it looked absolutely stunning. This location had a very pretty idol too. I really like the combination of yellow and green backdrop at this location. I personally found this specific decoration very stunning and loved the way the crystals and flowers were put together. This location had a lovely idol of Lord Ganesha accompanied by Lord Hanuman. Now it's the time for the Dhol performance. you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click on the like button and share it with all the others.